Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will present her ninth consecutive union budget on February 1st, with the focus expected to be on sustaining growth, maintaining fiscal discipline, and cushioning the economy against global trade risks, including US tariffs. The financial year 27 budget comes at a time of global uncertainty. While domestic demand has remained resilient and inflation has eased, geopolitical tensions, volatile commodity prices, and uneven global monetary policy continue to pose risks. At home, the government faces pressure to boost consumption, create jobs, and increase capital spending even as it keeps the fiscal deficit on a declining path. Economists said Sitharaman's challenge would be to find fresh growth drivers as revenue growth has been constrained by earlier income tax and GST cuts. These measures, along with infrastructure spending and RBI rate cuts, have helped the economy absorb the impact of steep US tariffs on Indian goods. Investor sentiment has also turned cautious. Ongoing uncertainty around India-US trade talks has led to sustained foreign selling in equities and pushed the rupee to record lows. Restoring confidence in the near term will be a key task for the minister. Some analysts believe the government may look to raise excise duty on petrol and diesel to shore up revenues. Any hike is expected to be absorbed through price adjustments rather than passed on to consumers. At the same time, regulatory simplification and structural reforms are likely to be emphasized to attract investment. Capital expenditure is expected to remain the backbone of the budget. Spending on railways, roads, renewable energy, defense, power transmission, and urban transport is likely to rise further, though at a slower pace. Support for state infrastructure through interest-free loans is also expected to continue. Major tax changes are unlikely, with the government signaling stability in both personal and corporate taxes. Any relief for individuals is expected to be limited and targeted. Job creation, MSME support, manufacturing incentives, and the green energy transition are likely to receive policy attention. Overall, the financial year 27 budget is expected to stress continuity over big surprises as the government seeks to balance growth, fiscal prudence, and political considerations ahead of key state elections.